everyone, welcome back to another episode of In My Kitchen by Doris. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this easy beef wrap for your kids or your household. It's very easy. Just go ahead and check all the dry ingredients in the comment section below. For this marinade, I use dry ingredient. So you marinate your beef that you've chopped into tiny sizes or your desired sizes. Let it sit for 1 or 2 hours. Go ahead and just do it in the pot like you see in this video. Add any vegetable of your choice and your meal will be ready in no time. This was super delicious. My kids really loved it, and I can't wait for you to try it and let me know how it went. Remember, God loves you, and don't forget to check the details in the description box. However, if you have any more questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll answer. I'm a bit under the weather, so the voiceover is gonna stop at this point. Bye. Okay, I'm back. So use any sauce of your choice. My boy came to tell me that he wanted curry ketchup for his, so you can use any sauce that your kids want to add to the wraps. You can add extra vegetables like cucumber and stuff. Just play with it according to the desire of your kids or your household. So if you watch right up to this point, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye again.